Hi guys, welcome to another episode. Today let's talk about the Bitcoin. There's really some uncertain situation in the market. A lot of people don't know what to do, and I want to give like full clarity about the Bitcoin, what to do, and I see like clear situations, clear scenarios, and in this episode I will give you some clear scenarios what you can trade or invest or whatever you want to use this information for yourself. So today I'm going to use the technical analysis, and it's something what you need to hear from the beginning to the end. I'm repeating it in every video because it's really important, because if you're going to miss any information from here, right, you will do some mistakes, and to avoid that, try to listen my idea fully from the beginning to the end. So let's go to the charts and let's break down the Bitcoin, because right now I see a real clear picture and I want to share with you guys. So first of all, we are seeing some kind of impulse. Before beginning, I want to say on a higher time frame, I gave this, I was talking about this a pretty long time, that my main target is around $11,000 as a wave 5, right? So what I'm expecting is some kind of impulse, a downtrend or to the lower range of this accumulation zone, right? So for me, this is wave 5 on the higher time frame. Let me break down once again. This is looks like this. Here's the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So right now we're in the fifth wave. Wave 4 for me complete fully. It has all impulsive and correctional waves inside of that. So the structure being already finished, for my opinion. So right now we're in the fifth wave, and today I want to talk about a little bit on a smaller time frame and give you some clear scenario what is going on. First of all, I think the market moves really understandable. Let's turn in the 5-hour time frame and let's break down this impulse and how what can we see. First of all, we see such kind of picture. This is wave 1, this is wave 2, this is some kind of wave 3. Right now we are in a wave 4, and most likely we will see some kind of wave 5. Everything matched with all the conditions. Wave 5 has 5 impulsive waves structure inside. Wave 2 is some kind of wrong, or I don't know, like it doesn't matter. Actually, we saw that it touched its correctional zone. So right now we had some kind of impulse, and this impulse follows the what is the most important with the splash of volumes over here, right? So impulse finished over here. This high impulse, and right now we are in the beginning of the new impulse. So third wave confirms with the splash of volumes. This is the most what we was interesting about. So basically you can break down the wave 3 as well really clear. Here is the wave 1, 2, 3 as a most high splash of volumes, wave 4 correctional, and this is wave 5. Let me change the levels, change the color of that one. Let's make it, for example, yellow one. So wave 3rd wave officially complete. If we're gonna check the wave for wave 4, levels for wave 4, we take Fibonacci, put on the beginning of the sub wave. Inside of the wave 3, we check the sub wave 3, right, like this, and the levels for as you know, the correctional wave levels is 0.5.6. so as you can see, we clearly touched at 0.5.6, and we had some kind of reaction as a wave 5, right? So right now, if we take a Fibonacci and check the levels for wave 5 in this full impulse, sub wave 5, right? This is sub wave 5 inside of the wave 3. So we take a Fibonacci, put on the beginning of the impulse, end of this wave 3, end of the wave 4. So we can see that we touched the levels for wave 5 almost, right? So 0.6 is the levels for wave 5, and it has less volumes than the third wave. So this is the confirmation that this is wave 5, some kind of wave 5. So basically, yeah, for my opinion, and this is how everything is, not what my opinion, the waves telling us everything is super clear. Right now, after this end of the third wave, we have all moral rights to say that we are in the beginning of some kind of wave 4, and after will be wave 5. So before it happens, let's check the levels for wave 5 or wave 4, right? Where we can touch. So if we take a Fibonacci, put on the beginning, of this wave 5, wave 4, the more bigger picture, right, of this one. So here's the wave 1, 2, 3. So I break down and show you that this is wave 5 as a sub waves. Inside have 5 impulsive wave, or impulsive waves as a third wave, first wave, third wave, and fifth wave. Plus wave C is impulsive waves, and it has structure of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So wave 3 confirms with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everything matched with all other conditions. What is how we identify those waves, right? Everything matched super clearly. So right now let me clean these subwaves and let's turn into a little bit higher time frame about this wave 4. What is our main targets? What can we see as a structure of this wave 4, and in our main target where we are expecting? First of all, let's take a Fibonacci, put on the beginning of the wave 2. Let's take a Fibonacci, put on the beginning of the wave 3, end of the wave 3, and our targets as a on the higher time frame is 0.3, 0.5, 0.6. This is the most likely where the prices comes. Most likely it comes on 0.5, 0.6. But before we touch it, on the 0.3 we have all moral rise to anytime soon from here can happen reversal and beginning of the wave 5, right? So this is why for our main target as a wave 4 is to break down it by clear structure inside, right? And this clear structure should to mesh with where we are expecting the Bitcoin as a wave 4. One more thing what I want to say, wave 4 also often happening that it touches 0.7. We cannot ignore the situation. So basically our zone of high attention, I would say, is from 27,000 to 30,000, around 30,000, right? I mean, not 30,000, around 29,700. Okay, let's make it clear, right? From these levels are for us is the zone of high attention. And most likely, let me mark it once again to where we are expecting the price is 0.5, 0.6. This is where we are expecting our price to come. Right now, let's add one more indicator. It calls horizontal volumes, VRVP, and by VRVP we can see clearly that on the 0.5, 0.6 around this area, right, we have a massive some kind of volumes, right? So this how these waves work, not waves, this VRP works. Here we can see the mountains. Those mountain means on this range, price range, been opened the most significant and high orders. So basically the most likely price will come to those mountains, and those mountains also matched with the 0.5, 0.6 levels. So this is also one more condition, and this is how the complex approach works. The volumes plus horizontal volumes plus levels for Fibonacci's, fractals, and etc. and plus analysis, the candle analysis, right? So what we're expecting, of course, our zone of high attention and where we will sit as a snipers, it will be from 27,900 to 28,600. This is the range where we are. We will be the really we will put the attention on the markets, and from these levels we will expect as a wave 5, right, the continuation of the wave 5. So basically, yeah, the 0.5, 0.6 levels we are seeing there is significant volumes, there is significant trades being opened, right? We don't know how much money or what it is. I don't do such a things, but I see that our main target from here, then most likely we can give it we can give the probability to work out by itself, because the most likely when you will short the level, such kind of levels, it will bring you profits. One more thing, what we are expecting. Okay, let me clean this Fibonacci. We marked all of this range, which one levels, which one we need. One more thing, what we can see. We can see on the Binance Bitcoin, on the Binance charts, we can see clear divergence between price and volumes. Let me clean the VRP as well. We are seeing that the price is rising, volumes are decreasing. This is unharmonious market move, and this is typical wave 4. This is typical wave 4's action. How when the price is rising, volumes are decreasing, or the volumes is decreasing, price is rising. This is divergence, and this is divergence. Yeah. So basically, this is what we are expecting right now, wave 4. Right now, let's try to break down this structure on the smaller time frame. Even on the 1 hour time frame, I think we can see it clearly. So right now we are in a wave 4, and what I'm expecting from here, wave 4 is correctional wave, and most likely it's happening or A, A, B, C, D, E, some wrong correction, or clear ABC correction, which we can see here very clearly. Here's the wave A, here's the wave B, and this is right now wave C, possible wave C. Let's check the levels for wave C, because we have a minimal, because the wave C is impulsive wave, so we don't have like clear where the prices comes, because it can go as higher as it needs, because it's impulsive waves. As a wave C is the same impulsive wave as the third wave, so this is why we don't know which part it will be, but we know the minimum level. So let's check it. We put on the beginning of the wave A, end of the wave A, end of the wave B. So if the B happened here, right? So minimum levels is 1.2. This is where we are expecting, if this correction was kind of right correction, right? Usual ABC correction, what is really seldom happening on the Bitcoin. So basically, before that, I don't like this ABC correction, to be honest, over here, but still we are seeing such a picture, and our main target is 20. Minimum target is 1.2. Wave C comes most likely on 1.2 is the minimum levels for wave C, and this is where we are expecting some kind of reversal. Also, we can see it clearly that it is near to the release zone of high attention, which one we are marked as on the higher time frame. So most likely it is possible the wave C comes to 1 by Fibonacci, and from there we will see some kind of reaction. So let me claim this Fibonacci's as well, and let me talk about what can we do right now. And this is really important that you understand. To long the market, I don't kind of suggest you to long the markets right now. I did give this signal on my Telegram club. Yeah, the link in description below, guys. Is really important, because this Telegram club, which one I created, in the future will be paid. Right now it's all for free, and the people who is entering right now, you guys can join this club and forever be there. I will never kick you from there. So basically, you are welcome to enter to our Telegram club. Here I'm giving the clear signals, everything you can check by yourself. All my signals worked out. People are earning money over here, and almost everything goes super good. So it's really good opportunity for you to join my Telegram club. So I gave those signals about the longs. I gave the signals that it is good time over here. I gave this signal that we could long this market. Some people did long the market and took some profits. Congratulations for you guys. Right now, guys, I don't suggest you to long the market, because it's really some kind of tricky situation is going on, and I would suggest you to wait to let us to go to this zone of high attention, and on this higher time frame, this is the zone of high attention, and I would suggest you to short the market from those levels. From these levels, accumulate some short positions, right? Put your stop losses on the previous high, on the beginning of the fractal, beginning of the third wave over here, right? Around $30,000, $31,000. Here would be really good to put your stop losses. In the short market, as we will enter to this zone. Of course, if we will enter to this zone, it will be really good time to short the market, right? But I would suggest you to open your positions part by part, not all in it, right? As we will enter to the zone of high attention, here you can open your like 30% of your trading deposit. After, as higher, if the market gives you more higher, here you can add your short positions, and last position you can put over here and put your stop losses over there. So it will be, I think it is good win-loss ratio. If, for example, if we go or do some kind of reversal, you can take a profits on the on this, even to this range around $24,000 as a wave 5, right? So this signal I will give as we will enter, if we will enter, because we already actually touched the levels for wave 4, right? Over here it is possible that we will do some kind of anytime reversal. Of course it is possible, but most likely we are expecting to this range, and from these ranges we will accumulate some short positions and short the market from a $28,000 to $29,000. This range where we are expecting short positions. But of course I will give this signal on my Telegram club, so I guys highly suggest you to enter to this Telegram club and put your notification on, because everything 24 hours I get all the heartbeat of our market. I can hear, and any changes, I will give the signal on my Telegram club first, because here I will be more effectively, I can react, because there's I just need to give a signal. And for YouTube, I need to record a new video, and it takes time, as you know all. So basically, yeah, if you guys like my if you like my analysis, if you find some useful information for yourself, and you have wish to become a good trader and give some good real tips which I'm giving here, because most of these videos, I know that won't get a lot of views, because people are expecting some different things to listen because here what we are trading is that we are earning their money, or most of the people's money, and the people who you right now watching this video, you are maybe including in this 3%, which one could possibly earn the money. So of course, such a people is really few on YouTube and everywhere, right? Most of the people are losing on the market, and they want to hear opposite, completely opposite what I'm talking over here. So if you are interested in some successful, real good trading, you are welcome to subscribe to my channel, press the like, put some comments, because it will help like a little bit for me with algorithm, and it will provide me some a little bit more space into the YouTube, right? So I'm ready to listen all those negative thoughts, everything, like some haters and some stuff. Of course, we are earning their money, and this is usually expectable. So for those people who already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. This motivates me a lot. Your DMs, your comments, your likes, everything is super crazy cool. It motivates me to create for you some new contents, new teaching program and everything. I'm all to give you some clarity fully. So you are welcome to join my Telegram club, subscribe to this channel, and thank you so much for this supporting. See you soon, and bye bye.